Dear friends, thank you so much for viewing, liking or subscribing to the channel. Some of you look forward with eager anticipation to my FA06 videos that help you to understand and utilize the features of this amazing instrument. And I also have helped some of you by answering your questions and guiding you in the comments when you have posted questions on specific videos. Additionally, the Alesis SR18 and the Roland A800 Pro are also identified as videos that generate a considerable amount of interest. Some interest has also been shown in programming the DX27 with FM synthesis. In all cases, I have spent the time to answer each and every comment on all the videos and to research and help people with the answers that they need in selecting gear that they would like to buy. Due to a change in status at the university that now makes available to me a large segment of time on which to work on the channel, I would like to carry this channel with your help to the next level where I can assist you better. For those persons who I've truly helped and who are looking forward to further videos and future help and who have thanked me greatly in the comments, I am begging you to take a look at my Patreon page and render some tangible support so that I may continue to do this. Thanks again for helping this channel to reach where it is today.